Homemade hair removal soap. Today in this post I will tell you how to make hair removal soap at home. This hair removal soap removes your body and facial hair permanently, and it's very easy to make this soap at home. Remember, you will first try the soap to your legs or arms. If it suits you, then you are free to use it anywhere you want. Apply aloe vera gel after removing hair to get healthy glowing skin. First you will need glycerin soap, barium sulfide, saffron. Soap preparation part. First take glycerin soap and cut it in small pieces. Now melt this glycerin soap using double boiler method. Add saffron in this melted soap. Now in this add 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Add 2 tablespoons of barium sulfide. Mix it well. Turn off the heat. Transfer this mix to soap molds and let it freeze for 5 to 6 hours. Your soap is ready to use now. How to use it? First, spray cold water from which body part to remove unwanted hair. Now apply the soap on your body part and leave it for a few minutes. After this, again spray some cold water, and now with the help of tissue paper remove this soap in opposite direction of hair growth. While removing soap, your unwanted body hair will also come on tissue paper, and you will get a clean hair-free body. Clean your skin with plain water. Pat it dry and apply some aloe vera gel.